We need to talk about INEC. There is something not right about INEC in regards to the PVC. 31st of July, the PVC registration ended. As much as the registration is over, I don't think it is smart to stop preaching about PVC. The next phase of action should be asking INEC, where is our PVC? Why? Well, why not? It's one thing to register, and it's another thing to get the PVC. I strongly believe INEC might be trying to deliberately disenfranchise us by not releasing our PVCs to us. On my part, I have counted 4 videos of PVC littered in different cities. In the first video, the PVC was buried and somehow it was dug out. Second, the PVC was littered all over the floor. The last was a man complaining about seeing tons of PVC trashed. I will try to put a video underneath so you can check them out. INEC has not come out to say anything about these videos. I can as well take their silence as a yes to deliberately disenfranchise. We also have the demographic of people who registered a long time ago and INEC has not been able to provide their PVC. There are a lot of stories about INEC coming up with excuses as to why some people's cards were not released. As I said, it is one thing to register and it is another to get those cards. We all know the 2023 elections are very personal and there is a lot at stake. We can't deny that PVC is used to rig. With the turn-up of people who came to register, if that same amount comes out to vote right, it will be a problem for those who plan to manipulate their election. I guess not releasing cards reduces voting and makes rigging more flexible. It's been said that all PVC will be ready by October. I don't think we should wait until October to start asking for our PVC. If INEC has a good reason for not releasing those PVCs that are long overdue, we will listen to them, but I don't think they have a valid reason. Now more than ever, we need to increase the heat on INEC to release our cards. We also have a part to play as people in society by going to the INEC office to pick up our cards. Those cards have no business sleeping at the INEC office. I want to encourage every one of us to go pick up our PVC. Phase 2 of the PVC needs a lot of work and push. I want us to use the hashtag, where is our PVC? And if INEC has a good reason for not releasing those PVCs that are long overdue, we will listen to them, but I don't think they have a valid reason. Now more than ever, we need to increase the heat on INEC to release our cards. We also have a part to play as people in society by going to the INEC office to pick up our cards. Those cards have no business sleeping at the INEC office. I want to encourage every one of us to go pick up our PVC. Phase 2 of the PVC needs a lot of work and push. I want us to use the hashtag, where is our PVC? And tag INEC while using it. INEC has a lot of explaining to do, especially with those videos that surfaced. Don't forget, your vote is your right. There is power in your PVC. Don't sell your vote. Don't give anyone a reason to manipulate the election using your PVC, and vote right.
Address is 118 Okporo Road. We have another one here, which is Vincent Juliet. All these things are all Obiakpo local government.
Found in Apogu estate.
So who saw these things? How did you see it, sir?
Inside, look at the back. Inside the back.
Oh, it was buried. It was put inside his bag and put inside the gutter. Beautiful. Beautiful. While he was digging the gutter, he said it was buried in this bag and it was put inside this gutter. My name is Samuel Lawson, reporting live from Apogu Estate, Arudi Road, Romodara.
Get the voter's card. Okay, I'm gonna exercise in the morning. You look at the can on our voter's card. The voter's card in the morning. Our voter's card keep it on here. Yeah, voter's card in the morning. All of them from Abuja. All of them Abuja voter's card. Christian name, all of them. Yorubas, Igbos, voter's card. Yeah. And I'm a walk anyhow. I talk what do himself. If you can't pull up, you man only go man up. Nanya Munimu Nanya can I ask voter's card in the mud. Anama Baggy on that day I got seen when I got take here, I said a front here. Now, Baba, I have one voter's card. All of them who are Abuja. All of them are Abuja. Oh, okay, in Agota. Maramara Agalune, the voters card in the mud. I like an if you're naga. I like an if you're naga. I like an if you're naga. Go. Voters card in the mud. Look at. Here, why in the queue, they know I in the queue for. Oh, when they went and will. They went to let never be out for. Good afternoon, everyone. Ihe a na-eme na Naijiria abarazikwa ọbazi. Ndị na-achị anyị, ndị awụ ndị ọnwụ ọbala. Ndị na-achị anyị wụ ọbala ka ji bili. Ndị na-achị anyị obodo a wụ obodo ụmụ anụmanụ. Iwe kwesịrị ịdị na-achịwa ụmụ anụmanụ. Abịa nyebe mmadụ ka chịba. Chikewe Naijiria ka onye ọdụ jebela onwe ya, nke bụ eziokwu. Chikewe Naijiria ka onye ọdụ jebela onwe ya, nke bụ eziokwu. INEC na-agba mbọ. INEC na-eme ikebe. Voters card gị fụtakwala o. Ị na-asị na ị nwere voters card. Na ị ga-achị ekiche ebụla voters card. Voters card gị fụtale. Aghachilie n'ụzọ Ibadan. Voters card gị fụtale. Ọ dịpendị ebe agha wulu nke gị. Nke ndị Abuja niile agha bụrụ ya na Lagos. Nke ndị Lagos o nwere ike ọ bụrụ na Abuja ka agha bụrụ ya anya mara. Today, this morning, ana m aga morning race ọsọ ụtụtụ. Anọ m n'iru m na anya m echi na moto na-aghafu voters card ndị mmadụ. Na-aghafu voters card live mana echile m kamera phone aka m ese the moto sete the number. Anaghị aghafu voters card ndị mmadụ n'iru m na anya m na-efie farara anagba na-efie farara. Leta ka m gazi wee nye ndị nọ n'ụzọ ego a wee pikeli m some epik nwolu m na-enye ebe a. All of them were Abuja voters card. Yeah, well, Abuja voters card. They were there about 270 voters card. All from Abuja. All of them from Abuja. Obu no Lagos. At least, no Lagos. Ano Mojodu Vega. Obu no Lagos or Kadinso. But Abuja is very far. I don't know how to reach this thing, to be honest now. Look at it. Here in the queue look for. Some are even paying for it. I did my own with 2,000 naira. My own voters card. I don't sure I'm getting wet here. Just look at. I see na INEC another mechiche. I see na INEC na nke anya futara. INEC na-agba mbọ. INEC na-agba mbọ na anyị na-eme onwe anyị just because of our selfish interest. Ogo one ka a ga-enye gị ka i wee lee future ụmụazị gị. Forget about yourself. You left future your children because of 10 million naira. You left future your children. What are they going to be tomorrow? Ekpopụta nwa gị egbu onye tu esi egbu ewu a na-ekpe ịlala egbu onye tu esi egbu ewu ụsọ ọbara ya n'ụzọ. Maka ịfụ 10 million naira tata maka na imele exist taa ị mara ụbọchị ị ga-aṅụ ego ị na-alụ wee ghafuo voters card a ị gara erichi ya.